Welcome back to my channel, my friends. So today I'll be doing a review of the MIASI tripod stand and also a selfie stick. And I was sent this for review and I thought it came in very handy because I am all over the place these days and a tripod or a selfie stick comes in very handy. So let's go check this out. So let's unbox this little beauty. Here is our manual. Open that just to check to see what the contents are. We have our little Bluetooth remote control. Let's open this to see if it has the battery in. Yes, it does. We're going to set that aside. And this is our phone holder with two regulating screws. One to screw this onto the platform of the tripod and the other to screw the phone in. And this doesn't have the spring to snap back onto your phone. Once you put that in, you have to screw. So I grabbed my phone just to test this out. And there you see I'm using two phones. This one has backing on there, so that's a little challenging. And then a smaller phone. And this is our GoPro attachment. I don't have a GoPro right now, but who says we're not going to use that in the future? And this is our little casing, that carrying case we can carry our tripod in. And now let's look at the tripod. I love the feel of this tripod, and this is the casing where you can put your Bluetooth holder when you have it in selfie stick mode. Now we're going to unscrew to open the leg compartment or the integrated legs. We're going to open that. But then when you want to extend to get your tripod or your selfie stick length, this extends to 62 inches. Now it's a little off screen because it's so long, so I had to maneuver it to get it within shot. So this is what it looks like when extended to 62 inches. See, it says 62 inches. Now to collapse that, you just keep pushing it until it collapses in on itself. And now we're going to open our integrated legs. You grab the pieces and pull them outwards and then push the inside piece upward. And there I'm just putting the Bluetooth into its holder. And there I'm showing you that it extends to 62 inches when it's on the tripod stand. And to lock the legs, you take the ring lock runner and screw that in place right on top of the section where the legs connect. You have to make sure that you do that or your tripod will not stand. Now let's screw our phone holder onto the platform. And your manual has all of the instructions. You can't go wrong with setting this up. So let's say you have your tripod and you want to use this on top of your desk, just like you see me have it here. You can just affix your phone to that phone holder. And if you want to extend it to a selfie mode or a selfie stick, here I'm just going to unscrew the interlocking ring right there and then collapse the legs inward. So I release the legs, close that back up because now it's in selfie mode. Make sure that your phone is securely screwed in. You don't want to have this too loose because your phone will fall out, and I'm sure you don't want that. And then you're also going to make sure that it's in the position that you want to shoot. Either it's vertical or horizontal, portrait, or YouTube frame, which is 16:9 ratio. And then to unscrew, you just turn the screw in the opposite direction and your phone is released. And here I'm just disassembling the tripod again. unscrew the phone holder. I am unscrewing, just releasing that a little bit so I can get it back to fit into the container that it came in. Now, this is optional. If you want to save it in the box, keep it in the box, that's fine. If you want to keep it in your little bag that you got, your carrying case, that is also fine. So you just release that a little bit so it can fit exactly like how it was fitted inside the case. And what do I like about this MIASI tripod? I love the fact that it extends 62 inches. It has a GoPro attachment, which I'll never use because I don't own a GoPro, but I love that fact. It has a Bluetooth remote control right there on the selfie stick for easy access, and it's compact. I would definitely recommend this product. This is definitely going to come in handy for me, and especially if you travel a lot, if you are an influencer, if you craft while you're away from home, this is definitely something to have in your collection, and I'm happy to have this join mine. I will leave the link down in my description box if you are interested in getting yourself one of this, or even for a family member. Make sure to check that out, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.